Welcome back, everyone. Here in Northern California, over the last several months, we've had a lot of unpredictable weather, which is why we have not had the chance to put out new videos. Weather. Since the first flight of Orville and Wilbur Wright has been one of aviation's biggest factors, and even though aviation has progressed through many innovations over the years to predict weather and had become more aware of various weather patterns, Mother Nature continues to throw us surprises. But sometimes these unpredictable and not so ideal weathers can give us time to slow down enough to take in our surroundings. I don't know how many times I've come to this airfield over the years and never had the chance to take it all in. The sounds of the birds chirping, the bees buzzing, and the sound of the wind blowing through every piece of grass and every tree limb. So I wanted to take this time to share with you the beauty of this nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope that if you ever have a moment to slow down and listen to what's around you every day. You might notice a touch of nature that you never stop to enjoy. Until next time, stay safe and subscribe to watch more if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one.